Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and this is a look at Luisa's new collection, Celebrating Life. Celebrating Life by Luisa continues her popular thinlit phrases that are geared towards the Latin America market. It gives you a lot of generic, everyday phrases that can be used for common sentiments and messages in card making. The fonts and the size are all corresponding with her previous release of phrases, so everything can work together as a system. She also has some new designs. We have some framelit nested crosses here. We have a little favor box, Big's Die. This is a very cute little favor box that's perfect for creating little candies or putting them at the seat of everybody at a party. Really cute little design. We also have a triangle box. Now this is a unique box because obviously it can hold treats or be a favor, but if you put a name right here, indicate a placement, this acts as a nice little place card. You put the person's name on the front of it and put it on their plate at a celebration or a party. Luisa has also created this luggage tag design that comes with some layering shapes to help decorate for your travel, help you personalize your own luggage tag, but this also has another variation of use. If you stand it up at a party, it could also be a nameplate or just a favorite place for a celebration at a place setting. Here's an example of how she used it to wrap a napkin. So again, you can use it for luggage tag or travel, or to have unique favor and placeholders at a celebration. Of course, boxes and bags are always a popular hit, and this is a popcorn box, and it comes with a ton of things to layer on top. So you can have the ability to add stripes to it, to put a name right in that spot. You can add edges to it. And again, this is the Big's Die, so you have the capability of cutting out several pieces of paper at once in order to decorate for a large-scale party. Next up is the invitation wrap. Again, this is a Big's Die, so you can cut out a large quantity of them. There's a crease rule in here, and this is intended to wrap around an invitation to kind of be a flap. We have an example here where she's done 2 flaps, and she's also layered a cut piece at the bottom in order to slide in a little communication card for a menu at the bottom of her invitation. We also have her passport holder. This is a unique folding die that has pieces where you can layer and insert your ID or your passport or your boarding pass into these little slots. But not only does it work for travel, it also works great for an invitation. Let's say for a wedding where you'd like to include directions, a menu, an invitation. It's a great way to uniformly send all the information you would need for a celebration or a wedding. And lastly, Luisa has 2 large-scale textured impressions. These are the 8.5 by 11 form that work with the Big Shot Plus and gives a great all-over texture or pattern. Since they're so large, they also work with all of her designs we've already been through here.